guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm with you. I'm gonna show you guys 3 ways and how to make money with Amazon without selling any products. Let's get right into this video. It's gonna be a little bit long, so go. Okay, first thing first, you're gonna need to go on amazon.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Doesn't give you like so many ways to make money with them, so we're gonna talk only about 4 of them, and I'm not gonna talk about like all of them because this video will be like too long. First way you can make money with Amazon is by become a delivery driver for Amazon. Probably some of you guys are looking for this type of job, but you guys don't know where to apply, so that's basically where to apply. So once you click on this one, so you're gonna see all the job. They paying like $16.50 plus, and you can apply here. So if you click right here, it's gonna give you all the description for the job. You're basically gonna put your name, your last name, email address, and answer like just like those 3 questions. Here it's also telling you like what assignment. In order to get this job, you have to be 21, work like 4 to 5 days per week, up to 10 hours a day with shift available, and 7 days a week. Apply for the job and wait for them to call you, especially now they in need of a lot of drivers. If you feel like you can do the like delivery services, you want to make money, that's one way you can make money with Amazon. That's number 2. And how to make money with Amazon. Again, on amazon.com. So we're just gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna scroll all the way down to where it say make money with us. It's by becoming an affiliate. Affiliate marketing, it's basically product, then they give you like a bonus on any product, so you get like a 10% or 5% on any product anybody buy from your link. So that's basically what is it on Amazon affiliate. So when you click on it, it's gonna go into this website. It's a Amazon associate, but you're gonna sign up for it, so like and earn you're gonna earn like commission for this one. I really like this one. The reason why I like this one, it's because once someone click on the Amazon, even though you're promoting like a specific product, the customer doesn't need to buy the specific product in order for you to make a commission. So what happened is when someone click on your link, Amazon put a cookie on this link. So if the person buy anything from Amazon in the last 24 hours, so you're gonna get a commission from it, no matter what is it. Okay, so that's basically it. So you're gonna go ahead and create your account. And the third way, it's basically like similar. It's by becoming like an Amazon influencer. So it's different. Amazon associate and Amazon influencer is 2 different things, but there is the good and the bad. The bad thing about like it's the same process, just sign up for it, but in order to sign up for it, you need at least like I believe like 1,000 followers on TikTok or Instagram or on YouTube. So you have to have like a platform, so in order to become an Amazon influencer. While with Amazon associate, you don't need a platform, you can just apply for it then after you create your platform. But with Amazon influencer, you need a platform and you need some followers. So you don't need a lot, you don't need like 10,000 of followers. So I started it with like 1,000 followers, so like you guys can do it too. So the bad thing about like Amazon influencer is if a customer like go on your link and don't purchase like the exact product that you're promoting, but the customer instead purchase another thing from Amazon, you're not gonna make a commission from it. So that's the only bad thing I don't like about Amazon influencer. So I rather like Amazon associate in this part. Okay, that's already 3 ways. 3 ways to make money with Amazon, but the last one is the big one I want to talk about. Is this one gonna take like so much time to explain. It's by becoming, or it's by creating your own business with Amazon. It's by becoming like your own delivery. It's like you buying like a franchise from Amazon by by having your own deliveries or services. So we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna explain, but this one you need at least like $10,000 in order to get started. So I'm gonna explain everything step by step on my computer so you guys can take a look. So let's go. In order to start your own business with Amazon has a package delivery, you need at least $10,000. So here the requirement I'm gonna read for you guys, and I'm also gonna put a screenshot in order for you guys to see it. A lot of people are making like millions of dollars with this program, but you have money now to start a business instead of going like into crypto. You never know what's gonna happen in the market, so it's better you start like something that you know that's gonna work from it. So they want you to succeed in this business. It's basically gonna give you all the logistic you need, all the training. They're gonna give you like a 2 weeks training. So in order to start, you need to apply. It's not only about the money, you need to apply to become one. 1 million commitment toward funding startup offering $10,000 for each candidate to build their own business in the US. If the launch of this grant, we investing in building future for diverse business owner to serve their community. If interested, please complete the diversity question and the financial details of the section. So they can help you with the $10,000. There is some application. If you apply, they can help you with the $10,000 if you don't have the $10,000 to start your business, like your delivery business with Amazon. They're gonna give you whatever you need for this business. Startup course as low as $10,000. Annual revenue potential to $1 to $4.5 million. There is money to be made. I want you guys to get in and do your research and do your thing. If you don't want to sell any product, you want to deal with deliveries, that's the best way to make money. So the annual profit potential is $75K to $300K like a year. Based on 5 vans, fully run partners operate 20 to 40 vans. We're gonna give you like the vans. So what you need to do is hire like 20 to 40 people to deliver to get started and how to apply. So the first thing you need to do is submit your application online, and 2, complete the candidate screening process. So they're basically gonna give you like a screening, you know, like the screening you do on every job application. That's basically what they're gonna give you. Then number 3 is join the future DSD program. So this one it's invited only. So after this program, if you get to the next step, they're gonna invite you to do this. And then the 4th thing is receive a weight card and offers. So the 5th thing is the weight card and offers. Basically they're gonna tell you if they accept you into the program. So number 5 is complete the 2 weeks of hands-on training. So they're gonna give you like 2 weeks of training. So it's gonna be 2 weeks in person and 1 week virtual. That's how they usually do it. So I don't know like with COVID how they're gonna do it, but that's basically how it is. And number 6 is set up your business and build your team. They want you, once you get in, they want you to start right away. So you need to plan. You cannot like apply and thinking like, oh, but what I'm gonna do if I get approved, whatever. You have to have like, you have to be a leader. If you know like you're someone that's laid back, that's not gonna step up, so like to make the team work, like don't even waste your time to apply for this, because you have to be on top of your games. Okay, the success story, how people get started and how to make money with Amazon. So let's read a little bit of it.
I served 26 years in the Army. I'm a retired veteran. My story is a little interesting. I came in the Army as a private, as a mechanic. Was enlisted, went through the ranks to a non-commissioned officer. Became a commissioned officer in 2003 as a second lieutenant. Served multiple tours, deployments. After 26 years, I came to a point where, I wanted to do something else. I believed I served my country, and I did a great job through that, I believe, and I wanted to do something a little bit more for Quentin myself. So becoming an entrepreneur is what I wanted to do, and that's why I decided to make that change. Allegiance Logistics is a transportation company, which is a delivery service partner with Amazon. Amazon has an incentive program for veterans that kind of really one of the things that kind of solidified the fact that Amazon was committed to veterans. It's a $10,000 bonus that goes to your budget once you first launch. So to me, when I found that out, I was like, wow, this organization.
So that's why I was telling you guys there is like a $10,000. Even though you don't have the $10,000 to get started, there is some program so you can get the bonus in order to have this $10,000 to get your business running. So let's keep watching.
Organization really is committed to helping vets and want them to, join this partnership and do great things.
When we sat down to create our delivery service partner program, we really sat and thought about who do we want to partner with? Who do we want as the leaders that will be coaching the teams, that will be making package deliveries to customers to their doorstep? And we really thought about people that were hardworking, that had grit, that had a bias for action, that delivered results. But above all of that, we really wanted people who were leaders, who loved coaching and developing teams, because these are the folks that are going to be the face of the company as they go out into the communities and deliver packages. And so these are really qualities that the women and men of the armed forces have. And so we're really proud to have committed $1 million to helping fund startup costs for military veterans as they launch their own package delivery business with Amazon.
My biggest advice to any veteran that is motivated, that want to do this job, and for me, and I'll just tell you a little quick story about myself, and I tell Amazon all the time, I said this job for me is very different. One of the transitional things that we had that veterans go through when they retire or depart the service is, transitioning back to civilian life. For this job, for me and my employees, it has been a lifesaver for me because I come here excited every day. It puts me back to where I commanded troops and we were stand-ups and we were doing meetings and the motivation and excitement to see in those employees' eyes is phenomenal. So for veterans that is considering doing this, I would tell them by all means jump into it, see what you think, get through the background.
It's a great opportunity to get into, like if you have the money saving, like, or either if you don't have it, so there is some way in order to apply for some program and get the $10,000 to get started. Basically how to get started, it's not an easy process. Once you apply, it's gonna take like 2 or 4 weeks in order for them to answer, reply and say if you get the spot or if you don't get the spot. So there is nothing gonna happen to you if you apply. If you get approved, that's even great. There is another way to make money with Amazon, is by becoming like a supplier, right? If you have money and you buy those product in bulk, and you can, instead of you selling them on Amazon, you can sell them to Amazon, so I buy it from you. So that's another way by becoming an Amazon supplier, like your own product, and it's a great product, people know about it, so you can sell your product to Amazon and they're gonna buy from you and they're gonna resell it. So the way to make money with Amazon, there is like so many opportunity with Amazon, so there is so many ways to make money. So I want you guys to get in your feet and do something, because those type of business, it's not gonna affect you when there is, so it's not gonna affect you when everything is going high. Because let's say for delivery, if you become like a delivery partner with Amazon, with order, they still ordering stuff, especially with the gas price, so they rather order online instead of going out. So people love shopping online, it's very convenient to them. So the first way I said is by becoming like an Amazon employee. So if you want to make some money in order to save or invest into your business, that's a good way to apply for Amazon and become like a driver, because no matter what, people they still gonna need driver, because people not gonna stop to shop online. Hope you guys enjoy everything. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have in my next video.